Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, we are going to talk about SEO. Now, what is SEO? What does it stand for? How does it work? And I've just a few more information regarding about it. So let's get started, okay? So what is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is a process of improving a website's ranking in search engine results pages, or SERPs. The higher a website ranks in the SERPs, the more traffic it will serve from organic search. Now, for example, imagine you're doing a research on Google. The very first result or the very first website you're going to have, that specific website has the best SEO. What I mean is that that website has those keywords, those links, what are needed to have the best SEO. Because when you're in the top result, you're going to have the more traffic. More traffic means more business, and of course, more business means more money, right? For example, you have a website regarding pastry, you're baking goods, you want your services to be ordered. Of course, you want our website to be on top results, right? That's where SEO comes in. How does it work? SEO works by optimizing website content, conducting keywords research, and earning inbound links. Please take note on the second part. It says conducting keyword research, right? Over here, it says conducting keyword research. That means that words on our website, for example, as I mentioned earlier, for example, you have a baking website or a pastry website. Your recipes out there, your how you do things, your process, your ingredients have those specific keywords that are trending right now. There are a lot of tools out there, keyword research or keyword generator application that can give you the best result. There are so many tools out there. I think I have a video about that. Please search it up. I think it's going to be keyword search tools. Please look it up. So, content optimization, what does it mean? This involves making sure that the website's content is relevant to the keywords that people are searching for. The content should be well written, informative, and easy to read. Of course, good content means good audience. Good audience means good business, and of course, good business means good money. Keyword research, this involves identifying the keywords that are people searching for that are relevant to the website's content. This is what I'm talking about earlier. There are thousands, not even if not thousands, hundreds of tools out there in the internet that gives you the exact trending keywords for your specific content. For example, you're baking. I think the trending right now are baking goods, sweet, sugar. You know the very basic generic words out there. Those are the keywords. Now, third, inbound links. These are the links from the other websites to the website being optimized. Inbound links are a signal to search engines that our website is authoritative and relevant. So, inbound links, think of it as plugins. For example, you have a friend who has a very trendy website, has a very optimized website. You can ask them to paste in your link right there, and you'll have your inbound links working perfectly. Next is going to be importance of SEO. So it is important for business because it can help them to increase their website traffic and generate more leads and sales. Of course, more leads, more sales, and you know what's next, right? More money. In today's digital world, where more and more people are using search engines to find information, SEO is an essential part of any online marketing strategy. So SEO is just under marketing strategy, right under sales, okay? So benefits of SEO, increase website traffic, increase leads and sales, improve brand reputation, of course, enhance credibility, that's my favorite part, and improve search engine visibility. These are the benefits of SEO. Imagine your website being the top listed result. Imagine your website being on the top Google search result. You'll have the best website traffic. So how to get started? Do your research, of course, hire a professional and start small. Now, on the second part, it says hire a professional, right? This means that if you don't have the time or expertise to do SEO yourself, you can hire professional SEO agents to help you, or just hire a freelancer to do it for you. Just pay it a small fine as a starting fee, and I suggest learn from that freelancer, do your own research, and you're confident enough to do it on your own, please do so. Again, the most important part, do not start large, start small, and do your research, okay? And that's it. That's how SEO works. That's SEO for you guys. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Have a safe one, guys. Thank you so much.